Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create a professional custom shape badge in Photoshop. Start by selecting the custom shape tool and choosing clean badge style shape from the library. Then draw the shape in the center of your canvas, keeping the promotion balanced and symmetrical. Now apply a solid base color that represents your theme or brand identity. Add a subtle stroke around the edges to make the badge feel crisp and well defined. Duplicate the badge layer and scale it down slightly to create an inner border. Now add a gradient overlay to the inner shape for a premium metallic feel. Place your logo initials or a small emblem inside the badge area. Use the align tools perfectly. Center the text within the badge.